Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the Dead Dance by Lady Gaga. This choreography is featured in Lady Gaga's most recent music video, and parts of it are also featured in Wednesday, the second season on Netflix. The steps were choreographed by Corey Baker. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow. We're going to use a lot of repetition. We're going to have a lot of fun. Please note this video is the tutorial only, so when you're ready to try it with music, it's going to be in a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice this with music, or if you just want to see what it looks like with music. This is coming right in time for October, for spooky season, to really get us in the spirit. I'm excited to teach it to you. Let's learn the Dead Dance. We're going to learn this dance in counts of 8, and there are going to be 4 total. Our first 8 count. You're going to start with your feet together. Left hand's going to go up, right hand's going to shoot out, and then they're going to come in and switch. I'm too close to my wall. So that's going to be on 1 and 2. So just remember, left hand goes first, and you can kind of bounce into it. So you're going bounce, bounce. So as your elbows bend, your knees bend, as your arms go straight, your legs go straight. So that's going to be 1 and 2. On 3, you're going to fold this right hand over your head and put both of your hands in your claws or monster paws or whatever you want to call this. So that's going to be on 3. And then on 4, we're going to lean your head to the left as the right hand collapses onto your left arm. I was saying a lot. So I don't have the flexibility like this, so I'm going to put my hand in front of my forehead here. But if you have good neck flexibility, you can do that. Good for you. So we're going to go 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4. Yeah, try that. 5, 6, left hand goes up. On 1 and 2, this is 3, this is 4. On 5, 6, you're going to crawl your right hand to your left. So it's crawling out there for your hands to come together. That's on 5, 6, that's fun. On 7, you're going to come back to the front. Right hand's going to come. We're going to call these blades because that's what I called them in the 90s in drill team. So your hands are in blades. Your right elbow's up, and it's kind of at your chest level here, and your left hand is down. That's on 7, and then you're going to jump and 8. I think those are the counts, but 2 little jumps there. So this was 3, 4, you walk it out. 5, 6, pull that right hand back. 7 and 8. Yeah. So from the beginning, from the top, that's what it's called. We're going to take that left hand up. 5, 6, 7, left hand up. On 1 and 2, fold 3, then 4, walk. 5, 6, pull. 7 and 8. Yeah, that's our first 8 count. One more time. 5, 6, left hand goes up. On 1, switch. 2, fold. 3, 4, walk. 5, 6, pull. 7 and 8. Amazing job. You're doing amazing. I taught the counts wrong. Oh no. So this was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to jump on 8 and. So not and 8, but 8 and. So it'll go with the music. So one more time. Our first 8 count goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, walk. 5, 6, then 7, 8, and. So same step, wrong counts, and I apologize. Let's add our second 8 count when you're ready. Remember, it's recorded. You can do it again with the right 8 count, with the right counts. If you're ready to go on. Second 8 count, we just did 8 and. You're going to swing your left leg out and then your right leg. So this is like a pendulum. Like we're swinging the leg away from us and leaning away from that leg. And you can take the arm out a little too, or you can leave it down, whatever you want to do. So think about straight legs, a pendulum, or like the Tin Man in Wizard of Oz. That works too. So you're going to go left, right on 1, 2. So this was 7, 8, and 1, 2. On 3, 4, you're just gonna have a little 2-count dance party. So you put your foot back down and you just groove 3, 4, and then you're gonna jump out and. So feet come apart, hands go out. So our second 8 count, we did 8 and, your left foot's gonna go out. 1, switch. 2, dance party. 3, 4, and. 5. On 6 and, you're gonna go the other way, left arm. 6 and. So you're folding your left hand up, right arm is folding this way, and then you're just gonna switch them. So this hand's facing you, this hand's facing away, and then switch. And you're just folding, inverting the knee, the same knee as hand that's inverted. And 6. So this is and 5 and 6. And it goes with the lyrics, I promise. She goes, yeah, duh, duh. You'd think I would know the lyrics. So we're jumping out. And 5, left, right. You're gonna put your left hand into your hip. Right hand's gonna go to your head. On 7, and then on and 8, we're gonna just twist our lower body to the left and then back. So make sure you lift your heels up so we're not torquing our knee. You wanna lift and twist your lower body to the left on and 8. I hope those are the counts. We'll see. So this was and 5 and 6, you fold. 7 and 8. Yes? Woo, that's our second 8 count. So we finished here, 8 and. You're gonna swing your left leg. 1, switch to the right. 2, dance party. 3, 4, and 5, and 6. This is 7 and 8. Yes? I'll count you in. 5, 6, left foot swings on 1, 2, party. 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And when you do the and 6, if you want to take your head side to side, you can. Or if you want to keep it to the front, you can. Second 8 count, one more time. 5, 6, swing your left on 1, 2, party. 3, 4, and 5, left, right, fold, twist, twist. And the creepier your hands are, the better. Great job. Putting our first 2 8 counts together, nice and slow. So left hand's gonna go up on 1. You can do it. 5, 6, left hand goes up on 1. Switch. 2, fold. 3, fold again. 4, walk. 5, 6, pull. 7, 8, and left, right, dance party. 3, 4, and 5, left, right, 7, twist, twist. Yeah, one more time, a little bit faster. Left hand goes up. 5, 6, left hand goes up on 1, 2, then 3, 4, crawl. 5, 6, pull. 7, 8, left leg. 1, 2, party. 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Fantastic. Let's learn our third 8 count when you're ready. So we finished our second 8 count here. So we did and 6, 7, and 8. We're gonna reach to the left corner and 1. And you're gonna take your hands like you're holding a knife, I'm assuming, and then you're gonna into your stomach. So you're pushing away and then contracting in 1 as you lift that right leg up. So we're going and 1, and then you're gonna keep this contracted motion here as you walk. 2, 3, 4. So we're marching in place. 2, 3, 4 with our knife in our belly, I guess. So the 8 count before went 7 and 8. It's really quick. You go and 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, you're gonna jump out, hands are gonna go out, and you're gonna swing your head 2 times around. So I'm going to my right shoulder, circling to my left and up. 5, 6, and then this momentum is going to swing your right hand up to your left on 7, and then you're just going to switch them, and 8 to the other side. So you're jumping your feet apart, head's going to go to the right shoulder. 5, 6, bring this arm in with you. 7 and 8. You're just pushing this knee in a little bit. 7 and 8. Yeah. So this whole 8 count, we were here. And 8. We're going to reach to the left corner. And 1. March. 2, 3, 4, jump. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, it's faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, reach. And 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. 5, 6, swing. 7 and 8. Let's put those 3 8 counts together nice and slow. Remember, the second 8 count is going to go and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. You're going to go right into that third 8 count without pausing. Okay, now we're going to go from that left hand up. 5, 6, left hand goes up on 1 and 2. Fold 3, fold again, 4. Crawl. 5, 6, pull. 7, jump. 8, swing your left. 1, switch. 2, dance party. 3, 4, and 5, left, right. This is 7 and 8 and 1. Walk. 2, 3, 4, jump. 5, 6, swing. 7 and 8. Fantastic job. All right, let's finish it out. Here's our fourth 8 count. You're awesome. You're doing amazing. So we finished here on 8. You're going to bring this right hand around and pull it up right back to this blade position that we did before. So this was 8. You're going to bring it down and jump. 1, 2, 3. So we're doing 3 little jumps this time with that arm in that same place. So this was 7, 8. We jump. 1, 2, 3. You're going to jump your feet apart as you take your hands out and look up. And then you're just going to come back together on 5. So this is 4, 5. So we're going to jump. This is our cardio step. We're jumping 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then out together on 4, 5. From here, your right hand's going to go and 6 and 7. So it's going up, down, and then you're taking it left shoulder and then pulling it out. And 6 and 7, you're going to have a little pause on and then on 8, you're going to choke yourself. And you can pick that knee up or whatever you want to do there on the count of 8, because then you're done. And dead, apparently. So this is and 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, so again, this whole 8 count. We're going to have 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. We're going to jump out, jump in, then we're going to go and 6 and 7, 8. Let's try it again. So we really finished here. And you're going to bring that right hand up as you bring your feet together to jump on 1. 5, 6, 7, jump front. This is 1, 2, 3, jump open. 4 together. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Woo. One more time, a little faster. 5, 6, jump to the front on 1, 2, 3, out, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yes. All right, the time has come to put all 4 of our 8 counts together. We're gonna go super duper slow. I believe in you. I believe in me. Here we go. So we're gonna reach that left hand up into that L movement. Super duper slow, seriously, for our brains. Here we go. 5, 6, left arm goes up. On 1, switch 2, fold 3, fold again 4, crawl. 5, 6, pull your right hand in. 7, then we jump. 8, swing your leg. 1, swing your leg. 2, dance party. 3, 4, jump, and 5, and 6, we fold in. 7, and 8, corner, and 1, walk. 2, 3, 4, we jump and circle. 5, 6, swing your right. 7, and 8, jump to the front. 1, 2, 3, jump out. 4, jump together. 5, and 6, and 7. Fantastic job. All right, let's do it again a little bit faster. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, left arm goes up. 1, 2, fold. 3, 4, crawl. 5, 6, pull. 7, 8, left leg. 2, party. 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and corner. And 1, 2, 3, jump out, circle the head. 5, 6, swing. 7, swing. 8, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump apart. 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic. All right, we're gonna do it one more time here together. We're gonna go a little faster, closer to the tempo of the actual song. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. You can't mess it up. You made it to the end of the tutorial. It's Lady Gaga. It's so much fun. Just move. That's all you gotta do. So we're gonna go. I believe in you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, left arm up. On 1, 2, fold. 3, fold. 4, crawl. 5, 6, this is 7, 8, left leg. 2, party. 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and corner. And 1, 2, 3, jump around. 5, 6, 7, and 8, jump. 1, 2, 3, out and in. 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Excellent job. And that was our tutorial. I had so much fun dancing with you. Thank you for being here. Remember, when you're ready to try it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description, and I will do it with a couple different tempos in that video. So go check it out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. If you like this style of dance specifically, I have a Lady Gaga playlist, and I also have a Halloween playlist, a spooky season playlist that has more of this style of dancing that I'll link down in the video description. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you had fun today. Please go out and have an incredible rest of your day. Remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others, and I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.